Looking for a reliable chef knife that won't break the bank? We've rounded up 10 amazing options, each under $30, that deliver on quality, performance, and durability. Let's dive in together. First on our list is the HENCKELS Solution 4-inch Compact Chef Knife. This knife features ultra-sharp blades for superior professional level sharpness, ensuring precision cutting right from the start. Its lightweight construction allows for effortless cutting and easy meal prep, perfect for detailed kitchen tasks like slicing fruits, vegetables, and meats. Next, we have the Victorinox Swiss Army Fibrox Straight Chef's Knife. This all-purpose chef's knife is designed for ultimate control, allowing you to mince through any culinary challenge with ease. The handle is ergonomically designed to minimize tension at the wrist, offering a comfortable grip that's secure even when wet. It's hygienic, dishwasher-safe, and slip-resistant, making it a practical choice for any kitchen. Our third option is the Farberware Ceramic Chef Knife. This chef knife excels at chopping, slicing, mincing, and dicing. The high-quality ceramic blade is designed to last longer than steel blades and provides exceptional precision with every cut. The ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures optimal control, and while it's dishwasher-safe for easy care, hand washing is recommended to extend the life of the knife. Number 5 is the Martha Stewart 8-inch Forged Chef Knife. This all-purpose chef's knife is a favorite for its durability and ease of use during food prep. It features a high-carbon stainless steel blade with a full tang, ensuring excellent rust and corrosion resistance, sharpness, and precision. The ergonomic triple-riveted handle offers strength and comfort, making it ideal for slicing, mincing, and dicing. Remember, to maintain its condition, this knife should be hand-washed only. Next, we have the Winco 10-inch commercial-grade chef's knife. Crafted with German steel blade, this knife is razor-sharp, perfect for chopping and dicing meats and vegetables. The ergonomic handle features slip-resistant grips, providing exceptional comfort and control. Designed for the rigors of a commercial kitchen, this knife is durable. Moving on to the KitchenAid Gourmet Forged Chef Knife. Known as the workhorse of the kitchen, this knife is ideal for a variety of cutting tasks. It's crafted from semi-polished, high-carbon imported Japanese steel, which is hardened and tempered for long-lasting sharpness. The ergonomic handle is designed for perfect stability and control. While it is dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to extend its life. 8th on our list is the Cuisinart 8-inch Chef's Knife. This knife features high-quality stainless steel blades with a non-stick coating that makes slicing easy and quick. The color-coded handle helps reduce the risk of cross-contamination during food preparation. It also comes with a blade guard and boasts a lifetime warranty, making it a safe and durable choice for any kitchen. Number 9 is the Kuhn Rikon COLORI Chef's Knife. This versatile knife is an all-around favorite for general dicing, chopping, mincing, and even cutting cheese. It boasts an ultra-sharp, hand-ground Japanese stainless steel blade, known for its longevity and precision. The non-stick coating ensures food releases easily from the blade for cleaner, smoother cuts. Designed for comfort, its handle contours perfectly to your hand, maximizing comfort during use. It also includes a matching safety sheath, making it safe and easy to store in kitchen drawers. Last but not least, we have the Winco 8-inch commercial-grade chef's knife with hollow handle. This knife features a razor-sharp German steel blade, ideal for expertly chopping and dicing meats and vegetables. The ergonomic, slip-resistant handle is designed with finger grips for exceptional comfort and control, especially during extended use. Built to meet the demands of a commercial food service environment, this knife is durable and also NSF listed, ensuring it meets strict standards for public health protection. So those are the top chef knives you can snag for under $30. Next up, I'll help you select the ideal cutting boards to complement your knives and protect your countertops. Check it out!